Some recent additions to the shop. A heavy swage block stand holding two of Uncle Buck's swage blocks. One of the older style, one of the newer style, the 4140. Another new stand with 4 hardy swage. A good product. I've stacked 2 of them up, welded them together for some extra strength, and then put them on an inch plate over some heavy wall tube. Should hold up. Another new anvil stand. For a Peter Wright anvil we picked up not long ago. Super heavy wall tubing. The stand probably weighs twice what the anvil does. Unbelievably heavy. An existing stand that we had. We mounted a hay bud anvil on. This anvil was in real bad shape at the base. There was no flat spots anywhere on it that were on an even plane. So they had it welded to a base. And I got to admit, after screwing with it for 2 hours, I ended up welding it to, repairing the cracks that were in the bottom portion of it. I don't think you can see the line in it where it's tool steel welded to the rot anymore. I had to clean it up after I welded a long crack shut. Got her good and hot first. Hopefully she holds up. So far it seems to be. An ASO banged together for my grandson. Or actually great-grandson. He seems to really take to this. Get it put on a stump for him because he's growing like a weed. I hate to put it on a solid stand yet. Won't be long and he'll be using one of the other anvils anyways, I think. I tend to make mine taller than what is usually considered correct height, because I just can't stand bending over. I'm disabled, very physically limited. Getting ready to modify our old forge. We got some large diameter stainless steel pipe. Run out through the roof. Hopefully we'll have it up and running soon. Hope everybody had a happy and safe holidays, and for anyone in my part of the country, get ready for that big snow coming Friday. See you next time.